people don't buy products anymore. They buy people, right? So you have to have a brand with a good story because if you're just like corporation XYZ, like people don't care anymore. Who's the founder? What does the founder do? What is the background? How'd they get there? That's the journey people are interested now. Even if it becomes a massive company, they want to be able to point back and say, this started this way, right? And I was part of that original journey. And so I think, it's less so much about the product now as much as it is the people.
For sure. Now, you did mention that you are doing your own manufacturing, and a big challenge is like having those machines, equipment made. Um, what was, can you share a little bit about, did you have to hire consultants or, people or work with like people who work with these food equipment creation and these kind of things? Or like, what was that process like for you to think about, I need to create this product and I'll need the machines that create it, but I don't know, if somebody has these machines or we're going to have to create new. Like, what was that process like, and how long did it take you for you to have those machines built?
Yeah, so the original process was a lot of me. It was a lot of me doing research, watching YouTube videos, trying to go down the rabbit hole of Google. I like to say I ended up getting my PhD from Google University, and kind of figuring out what it is that we needed. The thing that I finally started to realize, especially as we've grown and become less a cafe and more, we are a manufacturer, we are a marshmallow manufacturing facility, right? That it's hard for you to Google certain terms when you don't even know what it is that you're Googling. So we started doing a couple of things. The first is that we found trade shows that we could go to for these types of products. We're very lucky that Chicago is host to one of them. It's called Pack Expo. And
Mhm.
so we're able to go and look at manufacturing equipment and see like, hey, does this work? Talk to the people, set up meetings afterwards. That's how we found some of our packaging machines now. And we actually just went through a process with a nonprofit here in Illinois called IMEC. It's the Illinois Manufacturing Excellence Center. So we had applied for an automation grant with them and won. And basically, as part of that grant, they came to our space with all of the knowledge of manufacturing and helped us figure out like, here are the things that we need from an automation perspective if this is the particular thing that is bottlenecking in our manufacturing process. Here's the equipment that you need to get.